So I've received a comment asking how to get a custom wallpaper onto your EdgeTX controller. And as always, it's quite simple and straightforward when you know how, but when you don't, it is a little bit more difficult. So what we're going to do first of all is we're going to grab a USB that's plugged into a PC and we're going to plug it into the top of our controller. This will vary depending which controller you've got, of course. We're going to scroll down to USB storage now. If I just, and this has now opened up on my screen. What we're going to do first of all is we are going to find a document or a picture that we've downloaded. So it needs to be called background.png. So we've got this one here, so we'll just apply this one. So we're going to copy it, and you need to copy it into your SD card on your remote, which has popped up onto the screen now. We're going to go to themes, and we're going to go to EdgeTX theme. And we're going to place it in here, and it's going to ask us, do we want to replace the one we've already got? And the answer, quite simply, is yes. And that's it. That's all you need to do. You find out, switch the camera back to full screen and unplug it. So this particular one was made for the ProArt PA01, so it isn't the full size. You need to make sure it's the full size. We do have videos and stuff on that, but I thought I would just do a very quick video to help out this guy because he's left a few comments asking how we do it. Now, if you want this particular one, or if you want the one that was on here before, resistance is futile against trees, then they are all available in my Discord, and there is going to be a link down below. Don't forget the March giveaway as well is also available in the Discord. You need to join the Discord and join the March giveaway channel. Leave your YouTube username, and that's it. You'll be entered to win the competition. If you want to know what the competition is, go and watch the video of the Banggood cheap camera drone, and that'll tell you exactly what it is. But until next time, you've all been absolutely amazing. Peace. YouTube and I have had a chat, and we believe that this is the video that you'll like the most. So watch it and let me know if they're right.